Hey friends, welcome to another 15-minute Jazz It Up. I'm Jazz, and this is the Jazzy Squad mascot, Coco. Today we're going to be focusing on chest and booty. This workout is designed for beginners and seniors, but all fitness levels are welcome to join. Let's get some weights ready to go. Let's get a mat and some circular resistance bands ready to go. Let's take a few deep breaths to get ourselves centered, and we'll get started soon. All right, Jazzy Squad, let's get your mats for a quick warm up and we'll get started. So place it down onto the floor and bring yourselves into that tabletop position. All right, hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, and we're just gonna get those donkey kicks going, okay? So just take your time with these. All right, you're gonna go right leg first, right leg. So you're gonna tuck that knee in and then just kick it up and out 45 degrees. In and up and out. If it's a little bit challenging for you to get onto the floor for this, and if it's a little bit too hard for your knees, just stand upright and give me those high knees. Slow and steady, hold the wall, slow and steady on that one. We're gonna do some floor work. So if it's a little bit challenging for you to get onto your backs, just take your time, get onto the backs. Even if we get started, just go right to it and get in position once you're comfortable and then get started, okay? Let's switch that side, left knee in and up and out. Warming up the glutes here, activating our chest as we keep ourselves stationary for these donkey kicks. So like I said, team, we're focusing on booty and chest today, booty and chest. So nice little combo with our upper body and our lower body, but really focusing on those specific muscle groups. All right, squad. So let's carefully come on up. All right, place those mats to the side. Let's get those circular resistance bands. So I want you to snag a nice light one, nice light to light medium band, okay? Don't go too crazy to start. And as you can see, we're gonna get those quick step outs with that right leg first, then the left leg. And then we're gonna take the band off slowly and carefully, and then we're gonna get those low and steady side steps. All right, team, so let's get started. Right leg out first, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. So just kick it out, be explosive, nice and quick. Just tap those toes out to the side and back. We're working on both glutes right here. Keeping that left glute stationary, but activating that right one, bringing that right leg out. And we're gonna do it to the opposite side as well. All right, team, just keep going. All right, carefully switch now. Right leg stationary, left leg out, and go ahead. All right, even if you don't have resistance bands, these are still tough on the glutes, still tough and challenging for those glutes. Nice and steady here, beauties, looking good. Okay, we're almost there, and then we're gonna quickly take those bands off and then get into those low and slow side steps. All right, take those bands off, place them to the side, and hold on to something if you need to take the bands off. Let's get nice and low and go. So just 2 to 3 steps to the right, 2 to 3 steps to the left. Oh yeah, glutes are on fire here. Quads a little bit activated as well. Nice little supplementary activation, but really focusing on getting those butts low. And really increasing that time under tension with our booties. All right, team, rest it up, great job. Let's snag those mats, place those mats down. All right, I want you all to get some nice, medium to medium heavy weights, okay? So just take your time with these. As you can see, we're gonna get those dumbbell presses going, and then we're gonna get the glute bridges. We're gonna maintain those weights up high. Okay, maintain those weights up nice and high for those. All right, squad, carefully bring your beautiful selves down. All right, here we go. Weights up high. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So just bring it down and up. Inhale down, exhale up. Nice and steady with this. Medium, it's a medium heavy weights. So I started with some 15s, maybe starts with some 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s. I do have a client that has 7s, which doesn't make sense, but there's 7 pounds out there. Nice and steady, team. Yeah, really activating the chest here with these presses. Inhale down, exhale up. Let's go, squad. Looking beautiful. All right. Inhale down, exhale up, team. Almost there. Okay. Now get those weights up nice and high, feet shoulder width, and now just push through those heels. Bring those hips up as high as you can. Carefully bring it down, right back up. Okay. Really squeezing our glutes as we bring our hips up as high as we can while maintaining the weights up high. Even though we're not flexing or extending our chest right now, I mean, we are essentially flexing, holding a flexion, but we're still activating the chest. But just maintain the weights nice and steady as we do these hip bridges. Inhale down as you bring your booty down. Exhale when you bring your booty and your hips up. All right, team, great job. Rest it up. Beautiful, team, beautiful. All right, carefully come on up, okay? And then we are gonna we're gonna flip over. So we're gonna flip over. We're gonna get those push-up holds going, okay? So there's many variations for this squad. So you can either do this with do the standard one, knees up, okay? We're gonna push up and then hold. You can either do this with your knees down, push up and hold, or you can do this on a wall, okay? Wall with your, nice and angled, and depending on where your feet are angled, if you angle your feet closer to the wall, it's a little bit easier. If you angle your feet further away from the wall, it is a little bit more challenging. So pick your poison, let's get to it. All right, team, so bring it down. All right, get into the push-up position here. Okay, team, here we go. 3, 2, 1, everybody up. Beautiful, hold that, great job. Okay, you're gonna give me one push-up down, go ahead. Right back up and hold. So remember, you can either do this with your knees up, knees down, or on the wall. Many variations for this. All right, push-up down, beautiful, let's go. And then you just give me that nice inhale down and exhale up, team. All right, go ahead, down. Beautiful, let's go, squad. Almost there. Getting a little core activation too. Push up down, up and hold. Last one, let's get one more down and rest it. Beautiful job, team. Excellent, okay? Now we're gonna come on up. All right, so I want you to snag those resistance bands again. Okay, we're gonna place that around our legs and we're gonna get the standing hydrant. Okay, so as you can see, we're gonna do it on both sides. Right leg first, extend it out, and then left leg, extend it out. We're just gonna open up those hips, keeping those, we're gonna open up the hips and keep the pelvis down, and we're really gonna activate both glutes. We're placing these resistance bands around those knees, okay? And then opening up and keep yourself stationary, either standing on one leg or holding a chair or holding the wall. All right, team, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go, squat. So just open up that leg about 45 degrees behind you. Keep that leg stationary. Keep that torso nice and straight, nice and aligned here, okay? Final focal point on the floor. If you're standing or if you're doing it on a single leg, find that focal point on the floor. But if you're holding on to something, not a problem. Keep still focus on that focal point. Looking good, team. Glutes are on fire with this one. Excellent. Let's go. Switch it. Let's stand on that right leg now, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Open it up. 45 degrees behind you. Keeping that pelvis pointed towards the floor. Hips are open, obviously, to maintain that 45-degree angle. Slight bend in that right knee as we keep that right leg stationary with that left leg up and out behind us opened. Oh yeah, glutes are on fire. If you're doing this with just one leg, great job. If you're doing this on the wall, great job as well. Almost there. All right, rest it up, team. Great job, okay? So now just carefully bring those resistance bands back down to the ankles. Get some water if you need it. Let's take some deep breaths here, and let's get another round of this. Great job, team. A lot to do in these 15 minutes. Let's get back to it, okay? So let's do those quick outs again. Take those bands off and do those side steps. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. So quick step outs with that right leg. These 10 to 15 minute jazz it up, they are challenging, but they go fast, right? They go fast. If you're a new viewer, welcome. If you're a consistent viewer of the Jazzy Squad, Jazz It Up classes, welcome back and thanks for coming. And again, if you're the new viewer, joining the Jazzy Squad, thank you so much for coming as well. All right, good job. Take a quick little breather, relax. Let's keep that right leg stationary. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's kick it out. Nice and steady here, beauties. Slight bend in that right knee, keeping that chest and head up. Oh yeah. Glutes are on fire. Great job, team, great job. All right, squad, looking good. Almost there. Good, take those bands off. Great job. Place them to the side. Let's get those slow and steady side steps. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Nice and low. All right, big steps out, staying low. Try your best not to arch that lower back. Keep that torso nice. Here it's angled, but still straight from the hips. Kick that booty out. Kicking that booty out further behind us activates the glutes more. Okay, getting low into that chair. Even if you're not bending those knees as far down, that's okay. Just make sure those booties are back. All right, team. Beautiful job. Rest it up. Excellent. Let's get those mats. Let's get those medium to medium heavy weights. Okay. We're gonna bring it down here, team. Getting those nice dumbbell presses going with those hip bridges. All right, squad, nice and carefully. Get those weights. Here we go. All right. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Nice steady presses here. Inhale down, exhale up. Hope you're having a great day wherever you're at. Thanks again for joining in on this 15-minute Jazz It Up. We're crushing it today with the chest workouts, with the booty workouts. Great combos. All right, team, almost there. All right, bring those weights up. Let's get those bridges going. Go ahead. Weight stationary here. Both feet down, shoulder width. Inhale down as you bring those hips down. Exhale as you bring them up. Squeeze that booty. Every time you bring those hips up, squeeze that booty. All right, beauties, great job. Carefully bring those weights to the side, okay? Carefully flip over if you're staying down, but if you're gonna do that push-up down on a wall, please go to that wall. All right, knees up, knees down, or on the wall for this team. Here we go. Arms nice and wide, let's get after it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice hold here. Arms wide, push up down, go ahead. Hold, abs tight, booty tight. All right, and go. Beautiful. All right, this next one, we're gonna go 2. All right, this next one, we're doing 2. Go. Inhale down, exhale up. Hold. Almost there, squad. Let's get one more right here, beauties, right here. Go. Rest it up. Beautiful job. Bring your beautiful selves down. Excellent, team. We're almost done. Wow. Again, it's 15 minutes. They blow on by. All right, grab that resistance band. Place that around the knees, right above the knees here. All right. Okay, we're gonna bring that right leg out first. Right leg out first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So remember, you can either do this on the wall, you can hold onto a chair of some kind, or if you want that extra challenge, just stand on that one leg. Find that focal point on the floor, keep that torso nice and straight. Right leg behind you, 45 degrees, opening up those hips, but keeping the pelvis down. Oh yeah, nice isometric hold here with a little bit of balance. It's leaving a little bit of balance, holding on to a chair or holding on to the wall. All right, team, beautiful job. Let's stand on that right leg. Almost done, team, with this glute. Let's go with the left leg out. Go ahead. Almost done with this nice glute and chest, booty and chest workout. Coco's stretching out her glutes right now. Good girl, mamas. All right, team, almost there. Almost there. All right, and rest it up, team. Excellent job. Thank you so much for coming. 15 minutes blew on by. Hopefully your chest and your booties are feeling great after this. Definitely feeling it right now. All right, team. Remember, live Jazz It Up classes every Monday at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Hope to see you in one of those or in one of these other pre-recorded classes. Have a great day wherever you're at. Love each other, love yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Adios.